guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch this tutorial. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button below. If you're not, wagwan. So guys, this tutorial is going to be a little bit different because I'm not really going to be doing a voiceover and explain to you guys what I'm really doing. I'm going to link below my blog information so you guys can check it out. I'll be a little bit more detailed on my blog in terms of the products that I use and how I use them and in the order that I actually use them, so you guys could resort back to that blog post. So we're just gonna have a little chit chat here. So as you can see below, that this is a get ready with me video. This is the look that I came up with last month when I took a trip to Jamaica. Now that trip, I must say that I did have tons of fun and I felt like I was on vacation for the first time in so long. So we're not really gonna get into that because I'm gonna post the vlog footages when I was in Jamaica, and that's coming pretty soon. So be sure to subscribe so you can get all those updates, and you could be maybe the first 100 that get that update to watch the vlog. So let's just get into a little background stuff for this day. So guys, let me tell you, this video, it was recorded 3 a.m. in the morning. 3 a.m. Yes, I said it twice. And the reason for that is because I feel like I do have travel anxiety. Like, I just cannot go to sleep when I know that I have to travel. I'm just so jittery. I just want to get there. I'm just so anxious. I'm just so nervous. I just want to get to where I'm actually going. So I decided not to sleep, and it was kind of hard for me to go to bed because I felt like if I went to bed, I would have probably overslept and missed my flight, and I probably wouldn't have enough time to do a makeup tutorial. So I just said, you know what, finish what you're doing early. And I think that was like maybe around 2:30, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna take a shower and just start doing my makeup. So I started around 3, and I was up, and I think it took me like probably 40 minutes to complete this look because I had time to do that. I got to the airport like at around 6 or a little bit after 6, and the reason for that was because I had to hitch a ride with one of my sisters because she had work that same morning, early in the morning, and my flight is actually at 10. Now I don't mind being at the airport early due to TSA issues because I'm a makeup artist and I travel with my makeup case. So I actually did have a little wiggle room in case of anything that happened that morning. So I'm pretty much, thankful and very grateful that I didn't have to go through any mishaps with TSA that day. But, this makeup look, it actually did come out very nice. I'm really surprised with some of these products that I use, especially the foundation, and I'll get into that on my blog as to why I'm really surprised. And I'm just loving it. Like, you guys know that, 80% of my looks are just really more on the natural and soft side, and that's exactly what I was going for because that day I had something to do, so I had to be a little bit more glammed up just in case if anybody might leave a crazy comment below saying that, oh, this looks a little bit too much for the airport. No, it does not. If you have somewhere to be when you get to your destination, then you're gonna look the part. So that's exactly what I was doing. But it did turn out very nice. It lasts the entire day. Like, I wore this makeup up until like 11:45 p.m. that night. I went home and I took it off, and my face was legitly matte. Like, it was on point. But like I said, I'll get into all that product information on my blog, so make sure you go check that out. I also wanted to let you guys know that I do have a second Instagram account, and my Instagram handle is Mandy_Spence. I will link it somewhere here in the description bar, and I'll also put it somewhere here on the screen for you guys to go follow me, check it out, leave me some comments, let me guys know what you think, if you like my content, just give me some feedback. So I'm gonna let you sit back and enjoy the rest of the tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next clip. Be sure to subscribe and share with a friend. I will be uploading more content coming soon. All right, I love you guys, and stay blessed and have a great weekend. Bye.